Chable Resort and Spa, Mérida, Yucatan. Previously a henequen factory, Chable is now an internationally recognized spa hotel destination. With an award-winning combination of high design, wonderful cuisine, and over-the-top spa services, you will see why Chable Resort and Spa keeps their clientele returning each year. Through nearly untamed jungle, walkways wind throughout the hotel. They have turned this former factory into a modern hotel that balances beautifully with its cool contemporary style. The 40 standalone casitas are private and in nature and feature plunge pools, hammocks, indoor-outdoor showers, and modern amenities. Prices start at $700 per night for the King Casita with a private pool. Presidential villas start at $4,284 for double occupancy. The Royal Villa is 1,000 square feet and starts at $4,972 per night. Their Sybaritic Spa is built over a natural cenote and is a marvel of comfort, providing holistic spa journeys as the ultimate activity. The cuisine is of equal standards and will impress with its farm-to-table meets modern vision, a combination of local ingredients with international influence. The location is tranquil and remote, but close to many of the great Mayan ruins. For those looking for a balanced experience where mind and body can thrive while recharging and rewarding the spirit, let Chable Resort and Spa Hotel be your choice. This video review is brought to you by Mexico's finest boutique hotels, your insider's guide to the best of Mexico.